Strain relief connectors are designed to prevent cable pullout by removing strain at junction box and enclosure termination points. The new all-in-one package from IPEX comes with everything you need to make a reliable cable connection. Approved for indoor and outdoor use and certified to UL and CSA standards, the package includes a connector body, cap, and grommets to fit the most commonly used round and oval cable sizes. The grommets are made from a specifically formulated TPE material and feature collapsing teeth and an inverting membrane to create a strong grip and watertight seal. Installation is easy. Step 1. Select the right size grommet for your cable. Step 2. Pass the cord through the cap, grommet, and then the body. Step 3. As the cord is inserted through the grommet, make sure the membrane inverts evenly. Tearing along the membrane line should happen as the cord is inserted. A cutting tool can be used to help start the tearing if needed. Make sure to leave sufficient cord length to make the final connection in the box. Step 4. Tighten the cap onto the body until it is within 1/16 of an inch from the end of the thread. With a threaded connection, slide the O-ring onto the connector body before inserting into the opening. Connect the body to the box wall using the steel lock nut. For a solvent cement connection, use a junction box adapter and a coupling or solvent cement onto the hub end of a fitting. As an important part of an electrical system, strain relief connectors from IPEX create a strong, reliable connection that contractors can rely on.